yung phone ko kasi umulan kanina. Ngayon may ito yung bulay. Ahon. Lusong. Lusong.
Ayaw mo na ako. May ganito yun.
Yung saging nalalaglag lang.
Kala ko nga rin. Ganito pala kalayo yung nilalakad namin dati nila namin.
Nakakating kayo dito.
Oo, maganda po nga noon. Kapag kami nagkakambat. Alam, pagsabi na lang. Sa time na hindi pa natin alam. Baka malapit.
Malapit na ba kami sa Imbo? Malapit. Salamat.
Dalawa magkakot. Yan, ito lang bulay.
Welcome to yung bulay. Kaya na.
Napapanood ba nila ito na?
Hindi, syempre. Dito na lang.
Ayan, yung parking. Ay, hindi ka pala pwede magandaan.
Ayan, dito na. Guys, we're here sa Yambuli. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ay. Ala. Ayun pala yun. Dito kami sa Yambo Lake. Natanggalin ko itong plastic na. Entrance pala.
Ay, may vaccine daw ako.
Ilan po, ma'am?
Lahat na yan. Kasama ba itong bata?
5 taon na po ba? Opo.
4 lang.
Kasama po mo?
Ayan guys, ang ganda pala dito.
Special pa, ube.
Welcome to my vlog. Ayan ang ganda. Yummy. So guys, this is the Yambo Lake.
Kain muna. Pero pwedeng pumunta lang yun. Pwedeng pumunta.
At dahil maganda, imo-montage natin.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta...
Guys, isa siyang lake pala talaga kasi napapalibutan siya ng bundok. Tapos hindi ko alam kung maalat yung tubig. So we will try. Baka kasi kami naman hindi kagandahan pero masela ng balat. Kaya takot akong lumubog sa tubig basta-basta guys. Pero gusto ko siyang i-enjoy. Oy, putik talaga siya. Hindi siya buhangin. Talaga is siya. Dagat.
Mali ka niya.
Pero Yambu
Mali ka
Lake
niyang
na
kapatid.
Ang tanga ko, nabaliw ako dito. Pero ang ganda talaga ng view guys. Ang ganda. As in. Super duper. Ganda siya guys. Pag tumumba ako dito, hindi ako malalaglag dun sa tubig. What do you think? Kasi magugugas ang paa. Ay. Shit. Oh my G. Naninimbang guys. Meron kasing dito gagawin nilang balsa. Eh. Ang ganda. Regalo ko nga sa'yo, bulak na.
Oo, may maraming naglalamang. Ayaw ng isa namin sa taong pumito.
Nangitim na yung tubig! Ayoko na!
Saan ka pupunta? Ayan na po siya. Alaweng. Talon ni Alaweng. Hindi po siya marunong tumalon. Tinulak po siya. May mga kilali ka! Huwag naman itong tumalon. May kakapite! Ang kita ko makuha! Ang dami pong tao. Oh. Ang dami naglalangoy. Ang labo. Malabo pag nandito ka. Malabo pag nandito saan. Pero pag dito malinaw. Man, kaway kaway. Aliya kaway. Ayan, okay good. Ay, oh. Ayan po, ang dami nariligo. Doon mga balsa, layo na. Right. Ah, doon pala yun. Doon pala iisin na. Kuha naman na. Kuha nga. Hindi.